Bar. I'm Chap. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'll be reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. So first up, we're going to make a drink, and then we got appies with Chappy by the lake. So we're going to make a Firefly today. Very easy drink. We'll go a little bit of ice. And so yeah, very easy. We got 2 ounces of vodka. Got the good stuff today, Grey Goose. And we got 4 ounces of white grapefruit juice. And it calls for a splash of grenadine. I'm just going to substitute the liquid from my maraschino cherries for grenadine. And we're going to give that a little shake. And according to my bartender's guide, it goes into a highball glass. I got a nice glass with ice. And I got a giant orange wheel as a garnish. And that's a Firefly. So coming up next for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I got some nice baby back ribs on the grill. We'll go check on those baby back ribs and make another drink for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Coming right up. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I got my super saucy baby back ribs, and we need a drink to go with that. So I'm going to make a Tea Tini. Now, Tea Tini is very simple. It's just vodka, sweet tea, and fresh lemon. But I'm going to substitute the sweet tea for a twisted tea. So I got my martini shaker here. And Tea Tini, of course, is a martini. So a little ice into the martini shaker, and got the juice of 1/2 lemon. And then we're going to go 1 1/2 ounces of vodka, again with the Grey Goose. And then we'll do about 3 ounces of twisted tea. The original recipe, of course, is just sweet tea. This is going to add a little extra kick. Give it a shake. And, of course, into my martini glass. And I got a nice lemon wedge as garnish. And that's a Tea Tini to go with my extra saucy baby back ribs. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.